Hi friends, welcome to the e-learning online course on designing e-resources. In this video, you will see how to submit quiz and assignments through Google Form. Quiz and assignments on lessons are to be submitted online through Google Form. The link of the Google Form will be shared through email and WhatsApp as per the schedule. Open the Google Form, answer the quiz questions, attach the files for the assignments, and submit the Google Form. Let us see how you have to do it. As mentioned, you will get the link through your email and WhatsApp. The email will read like this: onlinecode.g@mumbai at the batch 4 quiz and assignment 1, then batch 4 quiz and assignment 2. Like that, on all the working days, you will receive the email for the quiz and assignment. Open it. I have invited you to fill out the form batch 4 quiz and assignment 1. This quiz and assignment 1 is based on lesson 1 to 3. Click fill out form. A Google form will open which contains both quiz and assignment. Fill your name, fill your designation, fill the name of your KV, and you have to fill your roll number as per the list. The list is already shared with you. I am showing the list once again. This is the list. Already we have shared it with you. Please note down your roll number. For example, roll number 1 to roll number 47. Please note down your roll number. This roll number is used in all the quiz and assignments you are submitting. Please don't try to write your employee code. I want you to write this roll number which starts from 1 and ends with 47. Please identify your roll number. Okay, well, you have to write your roll number. Then try to answer these questions. There may be 10 questions or there may be 5 questions based on the quiz. Okay. After all the questions are answered, then there will be assignment. Now there are 3 assignments are here for the first quiz and assignment. You have to attach a file or sometime you have to paste a URL based on the question. You have to attach a file or you have to paste the URL. Okay. Now if you are attaching a file, please follow the instructions. Try to attach a very small file. Don't try to attach a very big file. Therefore, you can make a very small file as per the instructions and you can attach. For example, in assignment 1, you have to upload a Word file, you have to upload a PDF file, you have to upload a PowerPoint presentation. How to do it? After all the questions are answered, click this add file. It will ask you to upload from My Drive or from your computer. I think in the first lesson itself we have informed you that you have to open a folder and then you have to put all your material there. It is very easy for you to manage. That is why it is called managing files and folders. Therefore, try to put all your material you are preparing in a folder so that very easy for you to access it. Select file from your device, click it. It will ask you from where you want it. Okay, now for example, let me take it from class 10 max. You see here I have made a PowerPoint presentation, Word document and all. I am clicking this Word document. Now how to submit your Word document? Please rename it as your roll number followed by your name. Roll number followed by your name. Click it and I am attaching it. Simply upload. And if the file is very small, it will get uploaded very quickly. You see, Word file has been uploaded. Now come back to this PDF file. Again, select file from your device. You should know the path where it is there. Now you see here once again the PDF file I have made. The Word file has been converted into PDF. Now it is, I have put my roll number followed by name. Then open it and upload. Again, the PowerPoint presentation. Again, add file. Select file from your device. PowerPoint presentation is in this folder. Again, the name of that file is roll number followed by your name. Open it, then upload it. It is quite easy. You can upload it within minutes. Okay, now please don't try to upload a different file. For example, in the Word file, don't try to upload a PDF. In PDF, don't try to upload a Word. And in PowerPoint presentation, don't try to upload a file other than PPT. I repeat, upload the corresponding file in that uploading link. For example, here Word, here PDF, and here PowerPoint presentation. After that, you submit. Remember, you are allowed to submit only once the quiz and assignment. Don't try to submit it in 2 different email IDs. I repeat once again, open it, write your name, write your designation, give your name of your KV, your roll number as per the list. The list is already attached to you. Note down your roll number. This roll number is used for all the quiz and assignments. Answer all the assignment questions, then the quiz questions, then after that you have to submit the assignment. The assignment may be in the form of submission of files or pasting a URL. If you want to submit the file, please try to make a new file as per the instructions and then upload it. Thank you. Happy learning.